Hi guys! Hi guys, or should I say, hi mga Viviys! So for today's video, it's so exciting for me because dumating yung aking order. Yung from Viviys Cosmetics. At ito yung, teka, kung natatanggal ko sana, no? So, ito nga. So, this is what the packaging looks like. Simple box lang siya. Merong VLV line and then yung shade name. And then, on one side, andyan ang mga ingredients. So, ingredients niya is aqua, kaolin clay, copolymer acrylates, vegetable glycerin, November ECZ, vitamin E oil, argan oil, grapeseed extract, flavor oil, and sodium benzoate. By the way guys, meron akong video ng mga powder mattes na lip tint ng V-Line. So, I'm gonna link that video down below. Please do check it out. Kasi, masaya. Masaya yung video na yun. Gusto ko kasi from, tingnan muna pala natin. Ay, okay. Meron pa siyang, ano tawag dito? Hindi nyo na itatanong guys. Fan ako ni V. Ni V Cortez. Yung Labidabs ni Kong TV. Yung asawa ko naman, fan ni Kong TV. Paborito niya yung Team Payaman. So here are the 4 shades. I'm going to swatch them from light to dark. So unahin natin itong Viviys, si Junie Boy. So parang wala namang claim. Itong V-Line lip cream. Teka, parang ang nipis ng shade. Shakeable ba to? So, I honestly don't know kung magsaset ba to into a matte finish or ganito talaga siya medyo glossy-glossy. And first impression, napakanipis niya. Ang nipis ng formula, ang nipis, ang labnaw, and it's very manipis. Like, hindi siya yung lip cream na ina-expect ko, na alam mo yon, on the thicker side and really pigmented and everything, really opaque. Para siyang malabnaw. Or like lip tint, almost sort of kinda lip tint. So, okay, mag-aantay pa ako ng very, very slight. But, tingnan natin kung mag-turn into matte finish siya. Pero ang nipis talaga. And guys, it is very... Daan ka ba? Go! It is very, dahil malabnaw, huwag niyong itaob yung kasi lalabas at lalabas yung product. Huwag niyong itaob ng ganon. May shiny... Hindi siya like super matte. Semi-matte. But, ito dry na to ha. Like, it's been what? 10 minutes already? And, tignan natin if it's kiss-proof. Sort of? Medyo? Sort of. Smudge proof but not so much. Ang ganda naman niya. I mean, pero ang nipis kasi ng formula. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to feel. Ang ganda naman ng finish niya, pero manipis yung formula. So, I don't think this is going to be super duper long lasting. Medyo ha. Medyo kiss proof siya. Itong mga outer line, siguro yung mga hindi pa natutuyo. Pero, ang nipis niya kasi. So, kaya siguro, less transfer. But, ano shade to? Yeah, this is the shade Viviys. Next is Mamentos. Ayan. Oo, parang nga siyang hindi siya lip cream dye. Mga talaga siyang lip tint. Dahil it is very watery. Parang watery tint. Oo. So, ito ang Mamentos. Nag-iwan ba siya ng tint? Slight. So this is Mementos, and you guys, I don't know pero in person, parang bright sa camera. Ako lang ba? Pero in person, para siyang brick orange. Ito mas tinted to kesa dun kay Viviys, and I like this better than in Viviys. Kikita niyo ba? So, sort of smudge proof, sort of kiss proof, but not 100%. Well, siguro matuturing na tong mask friendly, pero I like Mementos better than Viviys. Yung Viviys talagang nude, like, alam mo yun, yeah, nude. Ito, mas tinted siya. So this is Mementos. Dahil kumbinsido na talaga ako, nag-iiwan talaga siya ng tint. Ayan o. Next shades, I'm so excited. Ito ang Pating. Ayan. This is what Pating looks like. Para siyang alam mo yung Snow White red? Na may pagka cherry red. Red cherry. Not cherry red. Oh my god, Pating! There! Can you see that? Ang ganda. And you know what? Hindi ko... It's kind of bright on camera, but in person it's deep, like deep dye. It's deep red dye. As in like kontrabida red dye. I like this. Itong si Pating. Teka nga, tingnan natin kung transfer itong si Pating. Okay, hindi ko sure kung like nakaset na talaga siya or talagang ma-transfer yung ganitong shade. Kasi yung first two shades natin, parang light-lightan lang siya. Eto, matinding, talaga today? Matinding red talaga today in person. Mga kontrabida. Pero alam mo yung social na mayamang kontrabida. So, this is Pating. Oh my god, tinan mo yung iniwang tint. Hi, Warly! And the last shade I'm going to swatch is, of course, Kong TV. What?
Anong shade?
Kong TV! Ano ka ba? Ito yung lip cream ni V.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gulat ako.
Bakit? Idol mo rin ba ang Team Payaman?
Gulat ako eh.
Syukat ka ba? Wait, ano pinakaiba niya? Lapit ka nun. It is so close. Teka, antayin natin. Apply ko muna. Alright guys, so eto na yung Kong TV shade. And sa arm swatch, pag tingnan mo, ano pinagkaiba ng Pating at saka ng Kong TV shade? They're like super duper close. Pag tinignan ko naman sa person, super duper close din. But you know what's the difference? Siguro si Kong TV, it's like very slight deeper. Pero very slight lang. Like, papasang, alam mo yun, kung hindi ka naman sensitive sa shades, papasang hindi sila magkaiba ni Pating. Why is it like that? Ayan po, alis na po si Wardy. Maliligo na po siya. Have fun. Wisik-wisik lang. Okay, so ganito guys. Hindi ko ina-expect na magiging ganito ite. Una sa lahat, hindi siya lip cream. Para siyang water tint. Or para siyang water-based lip tint. Alam mo yung ganon? But it's, itong first two shade, itong shade na to, si Viviys, parang really bare. sobrang nipis niya. I mean, nude na nga siya, ang nipis pa ng formula. So, you will barely see this on your lips unless like going mo 2-3 layers. Alam mo yon? Tapos, yung 3 shades, okay pa. Si Mamentos, tsaka si Pateng, and si Kong TV. Pero like, itong si Pateng tsaka si Kong TV, i-consider nyo na to as like, you know, one shade. Because very, very malapit yung kanilang, yung kanilang shade. Para silang deep in person, you guys. It's just so happen na si Pateng, it's like slight brighter, and then si Kong TV is slight deeper. Tapos, ang naiba si Mementos, okay siya for everyday. I like Mementos. I like Mementos and Pateng. Yeah, yun yung favorite shades ko out of the 4. Ngayon, again, these are not lip creams. Hindi siya parang liquid lipstick type. Para talaga siyang lip tint. And then, depende pa sa color ng lips mo kung gano'n siya magiging ka-deep or ka-bright. Ito, super deep na siya kasi alam mo yun, patong-patong na yung tint. Nag-iwan pala siya ng tint, guys, which is good. So dahil may color na yung lips ko, medyo nakatulong siya to make it like really, really red. Alam mo yun, deeper red. So, pag bibili kayo guys, I want you to consider na hindi siya liquid lipstick or lip cream. It's more like, you know, opaque na water tint. Okay naman siya. Sulit naman siya for me. $1.99 if you're gonna consider it as yung parang, alam mo yun, water-based tint. Kasi, nagdadry naman siya into, maganda naman yung finish niya. Hindi naman siya yung parang nagka-cling dun sa gitna lang na type of tint. Although, I do believe kung meron kang mga dry patches or nagbabalat-balat, medyo, alam mo yun, didikit dun yung tint. Yun yung magiging parang makapal na, magkakaroon ng parang mapamumuo. Yan, that's the right term. So, if you're gonna use this, make sure na nakapag-lip scrub ka, nakapag-exfoliate ka ng lips, and you're hydrated, girl. Drink your water, girl. But yeah, I do recommend itong V-Line lip cream. So yeah, we are done for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.